am preparing to go to a funeral, and it is super hot. It's summertime, so we're gonna do our hair. This is the makeup look that I went with. I really wanted to add in some blue, but I wanted to keep it more neutral. So this is the makeup that I did, and we're gonna be wearing this wig. This is the wig that we're gonna be rocking today. It's a little BOBIANNA. So yeah, it's super hot. I think it'll be perfect for the weather. I'm just gonna take my 2 braids and kind of tie them together to get it nice and flat back there and kind of tuck them in. So yeah, it's a friend of the family funeral that I am going to. So Uncle Warren is gonna come scoop me up, and yeah, we're getting ready. So this is the wig that we're gonna be putting on. It did come cut in a bob. I did already kind of go through and flat iron it just to save time. And I'm just gonna pop her on. I'm not using a wig cap. Y'all know I don't really wear wig caps often. So I'm just gonna put her on. Make sure everything is nice, tucked in and flat. This is her, BOBIANNA. And she's cute. She is cute. At first, whenever I was going to wear this wig, I did put it in a side part. I don't know. I just thought it would have been cute that way. But I have gotten used to wearing bobs in a middle part. So I did not like it. So now we're going to try this again. The first time I didn't film it, of course. But we're going to try this again. And I think the middle part is going to be really cute. Probably with no baby. Well, I don't know. I may do some baby hairs. I'm not even sure if I want to gel the wig down all the way across, because I'm probably just wearing it for today. So let me decide real quick. BOBIANNA. She cute. She cute. Okay. So I think we just gonna lay her down in the center area, because I don't think the sides are going to matter, because I don't think I'm gonna put any baby hairs, which is weird for me. But I don't know, sometimes when I do wigs I just do the middle, so it can work for today. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be. I got the clear one out because I have been using that white one so much, so I just wanted to use something different today. And probably makes it harder for you to see what I'm doing though, but I'm just gonna put some on and go across the front of my hairline to like where my baby hairs start. So yeah, I'm gonna just put it like all right in that area, and that will be enough to lay our lace down and have it to stick, and you know, you don't have to worry about it moving or anything. So I'm just going to put that on, and then I'm going to use some hairspray. So I'm going to also take my Got To Be and just put this to make it stickier. So like that. So I'm going to let that dry for a second. I'm also letting my hot comb get hot so we can flatten this area out and everything. So just let it dry for a minute, or you can blow dry it. I don't feel like getting out all my stuff, so yeah. Okay. So to hold it into place, you can tie it down to make it stay down. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of press out the top of my hair before I tie it down. And just kind of hold it into place to make sure that it's not moving, because I have to go get my scarf anyway. So I just put a little bit of wax. You can use any wax stick. And I'm just going to press this out. And then also the tracks do start, because it is a lace wig, but it does have tracks. So you want to make sure that you leave some hair going backwards to cover up the track. You don't want it to be exposed. So yeah. So we kind of did that. Now we can tie it down and it will flatten out even more, and kind of just let the gel and hairspray dry so that you know your wig is secured. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tie it down and let it sit for a minute, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is, I just tied this on there and it's nice and flat. So I'm going to just style it up. Make sure everything is looking good. I'm out of breath. I just was chasing Versace. Whew. So just kind of going over. See how it attached with the gel and spray. And I think I'm not gonna do any baby hairs, because I seen somebody ask for that, and I think this is a good wig to do it with. Actually, I did that on another bob the last time, so not really that surprising, but I think you could get away with it, especially with this. So to blend it and make it look real good without putting any baby hairs, because it really just blends in, but to make the part pop out and everything even more, I just like baby hairs. I'm looking at it like, should I put some baby hairs? So I'm just going to take some powder. You can use any foundation powder that you have. And I'm going to take my brush that I used to clean up my brows, dip into the powder. This one is from Kat Von D. The color is medium 62. I don't really use this on my face. Whenever I bought it, I didn't really like it for my face, or I think the color was a little off, so I don't know, I just never use it, so I started using it on my hair. So I'm just gonna go through the part and just really make it pop out even more. So now you can see the part is defined even more, and in the front it blends right in. So to fix, whenever I put powder, I like to go in with some water or mousse, like wrapping mousse. So I'm just gonna take it and kind of put it right in the parting area, not too much in the front where you put the gel and hairspray, because this will kind of make it lift if you're not careful. Just gonna put a little bit to blend it out. So now you can kind of let that blend in so it won't give like a nasty flashback, because y'all know how powders do. This is how the wig looks without the baby hairs or anything. I'm still kind of debating if I want to try it or not, but so yeah, this is her. This is she. It's cute. It's flowy. Got some hair shedding out though, which can be quite annoying. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I have finished up everything. This is the completed look. So I'm just going to show you the wig and everything. I need to go and get dressed the wig. I'm going to show you the box that everything came in. So this is from Celie Hair. So this is the bag that the wig came in. And on the box, it doesn't have the name or anything. So yeah, they also included like this little net that you can put on before you put your wig on. And then also the wig came in this nice bag, which is great to store your hair in, so you don't have to keep the box, which I love that when companies do that. There is a pamphlet in here that has info about care instructions and all of that. And then they also did include a little mirror that you can put like in your purse or whatever. So that's what came inside of the box. And this is the wig. It doesn't have any of the details of the wig inside of the box. So I'm just gonna pull up my email really quick so I can tell you the details. This wig is a Brazilian straight 10-inch lace bob wig. Let me go to the link and see if it has more details. So this is a 13 by 4 wig, which means it's 13 across, 4 inches back, so you don't get as much parting space, but it's enough for a bob, like with this little middle part. And this is 150 density with a pre-plucked hairline. So I did pluck a little bit, but not a lot, and I did kind of like cut a little bit of hairs in the front so it can kind of be like a little bit of baby hairs, but I didn't lay them down or anything like that. So yeah, you can get this wig in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inches. So, you know, whatever style bob you like, it kind of has whatever you need. But I think 10 inches is bomb. 8 inches is really cute as well. Anything longer than that is going to be like a long bob, because this is already kind of longer. But yeah, it's like a straight cut bob, and I just use my flat iron to style it. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I do bobs quite a bit, so this is just another bob sleigh with the middle parts. I was gonna do it in a side part, which you've seen in the video, so yeah, I don't need to say it again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment and like this video down below, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Bye guys. J. Rossi.